A combination is a collection of the objects where the order doesn't matter. The formula for a combination is n chose R is equal to n factorial over R factorial quantity n minus R factorial. Let's have an example. Let n be equal to 12 and R be equal to 3. S 12 chose R is equal to 12 over 12 factorial over 3 factorial times the quantity of 12 minus R factorial. Now, it is equal to 12 over 3 factorial times 9 factorial. It is equal to 12 times 11 times 10 times 9 factorial all over 3 factorial times 9 factorial. Let's cancel 9 factorial. Now, the equation will be 12 times 11 times 10 all over 3 factorial. Now, it is equal to 13. The answer will be 1320 over 6. That is equal to 220.
So we have the binomial quantity of 5x raised to 4 plus 7 y squared raised to 8. So we are looking for the sixth term. Let 6 be the r. Let 8, which is the exponent, be the n. 5x raised to 4 be the a. And 7y squared be the b. And let's use the formula for binomial theorem. Substitute the variables. 5x raised to 4 raised to 8, which is the n, minus 6, which is the r, plus 1, multiplied with the quantity of 7y squared raised to 6, which is the r minus 1. Simplify the following. 8 choose 5, multiplied with the quantity of 5x raised to 3, multiplied with the quantity 7y squared raised to 5. So let's use the formula for combination, and we will come out with 56 times 125 x raised to 12 multiplied with 16,807y raised to 10. And simplify. The sixth term will be the sixth term of the binomial quantity of 5x raised to 4 plus 7y squared raised to 8 will be 117,649,000 x raised to 12 and y raised to 10.
Binomial theorem using combination. Binomial theorem is a quick way to expand a binomial expression that has been raised to a bigger power. So the formula in binomial theorem using combination is the quantity of a plus b raised to n is equal to the summation of n choose k times a raised to n minus k times b raised to k, where k is equal to 0 up to n. So to expand the combination, the formula is n choose 0 quantity times x raised to n times y raised to 0 plus the quantity of n, choose 1, times x raised to n minus 1 times y raised to 1 plus the quantity of n, choose 2, times x raised to n minus 2 times y raised to 2 plus the quantity of n, choose 3, times x raised to n minus 3 times y raised to 3, and so on. So next, let's have an example. So, our given is x plus 4 quantity raised to 12, where n is equals to 12 and k is equals to 0 to 12. First, we're going to put all the quantity of n, choose k, so where the quantity of 12, choose 0, the quantity of 12, choose 1, the quantity of 12, choose 2, the quantity of 12, choose 3, the quantity of 12, choose 4, the quantity of 12, choose 5, the quantity of 12, choose 6, the quantity of 12, choose 7, the quantity of 12, choose 8, plus the quantity of 12, choose 9, the quantity of 12, choose 10, plus the quantity of 12, choose 11, plus the quantity of 12, choose 12. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to put all the a, where our a is raised to n minus k, so our a is x. So the exponent of a is always decreasing. So 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, x raised to 3, x raised to 2, x raised to 1, x raised to 0. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to put the value of b. So our b is 4. So from b raised to k, our b is always increasing. So as you can see, 4 raised to 0, 4 raised to 1, 4 raised to 2, 4 raised to 3, 4 raised to 4, 4 raised to 5, 4 raised to 6, 4 raised to 7, 4 raised to 8, 4 raised to 9, 4 raised to 10, 4 raised to 11, and 4 raised to 12. So to solve for the combination, our formula is n choose r equals to n factorial over r factorial times the quantity of n minus r factorial. So we're going to substitute where our 12 is the n and the 0 is the r, where 0 is to 12. So 12 factorial over 0 factorial times the quantity of 12 minus 0 times factorial, and so on. So the answer, if we're going to use the calculator, is 1 times x raised to 12 times 4 plus 12 raised to x times x raised to 11 times 4 plus 66 times x raised to 10 times 16 plus 220 times x raised to 9 times 64 plus 495 times x raised to 8 times 256 plus 792 times x raised to 7 times 1024 plus 924 times x raised to 6 times 4096 plus 792 times x raised to 5 times 16,384 plus 495 times x raised to 4 times 65,536 plus 220 times x raised to 3 times 262,144 plus 66 times x raised to 2 times 1,048,576 plus 12 times x raised to 1 times 4,194,304 plus 1 times 1 times 16,777,216. So from that, we're going to get the answer by the calculator. By using the calculator, it is equals to x raised to 12 plus 48 x times 48x raised to 11 plus 1056 x raised to 10 plus 14,080 x raised to 9 plus 126,720 x raised to 8 plus 811,008 x raised to 9 plus 3,784 or 3,704,704x raised to 6 plus 12,976,128 x raised to 5 plus 32,440,320 x raised to 4 plus 57,671,680 x raised to 3 plus 69,206,016 x raised to 2 plus 50,331,648 x plus 16,777,216.